The son of a white man and Cherokee slave, Joseph Willis gains his freedom and swims the mighty Mississippi on a mule. He is driven by three winds: a wind of freedom driving him from North Carolina, a mighty rushing wind compelling him across the Mississippi River into the Louisiana Territory, and a wind of war fueled by slavery. Rooted in a time of tradition and chivalry, Joseph discovers a land of innocence lost. His life converges with Louisiana contemporaries, including Solomon Northup, James Bowie, William Prince Ford, Edwin Epps, and Texas Ranger Jack C. Hayes. From master storyteller Randy Willis comes a novel about adventure, family, faith, and the character of a man that touched generations.